What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this super quick guide, I'll show you how to get lingonberries in a grounded tube. So you can get lingonberry chunks and craft lingonberry leather. This is a super simple resource to get, and it's relatively close to the starting area. In fact, you'll just need to head up here into the picnic table area and check out this side bush here. There's hundreds of them in here, and you'll definitely have more than enough when you're done checking it. Now, I would definitely recommend bringing a ranged weapon with you, like a bow and a whole bunch of arrows, just so you can take down a lot of these at once. I'd bring extra arrows because you may not collect all of the arrows that you use. Some of them may very well phase through the ground and disappear from existence. Most of them, though, you will be able to pick up. So let's go. Heading all the way across to an entrance like the one over here, we can head in, and inside of here, keeping your eyes up, you should see these things absolutely everywhere. Seems like they started to spawn in as soon as we got here. The only thing you really need to worry about in here are wolf spiders, as I've heard of one spawning in here somewhere, but for the most part, it shouldn't be too bad. So, finding somewhere to hop off, we can equip our bow, aim, and fire. Just like that, we'll knock down some lingonberries, for which we'll need an axe tier 2 to chop. Fun, right? So it's nighttime, though it shouldn't make too much of a difference, obviously. Now that I've upgraded the axe, we can shoot one of them down, hit it 1, 2, 3 times, and we should get a whole bunch of these lingonberry chunks. Now we'll need 3 of these to craft 1 leather, and of course, based on how much leather you need, you could be here for a short while. Seems like when you hit one of these, both of them come down, which is great. And just collecting a few, I've already got 18, which is fantastic. Obviously, I haven't explored very far at all. It's not the most friendly place, but you can definitely get what you need and avoid most contact. Yeah, they definitely seem to come down mostly in groups of 2. Then, for example, when we get back, we can craft some lingonberry leather at a workbench. So there we go. Let's make 3 of these. And with that, we can upgrade our Omni tool. There you go. Anyways, that's really that. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.